Okay, so this battery for the Latitude 5420, when you replace the battery, make sure first of all to keep the cable, because these cables are not part of the battery when you buy them. So they're removed and then replaced over to new battery. Now obviously you can look at it based on the model number of the laptop, but there's two ways you can buy the battery. First of all is by the type RJ40G. That gives you the battery compatible with this model, but then it comes with small battery and this size as well. Ideally what you want to do is you want to look based on the exact part number 0M033W. That's the more accurate ways of getting the replacement battery. Once you get it, put them back. Put the screws on and try it again. And that's it. Oh, maybe I did not. Yeah, I did. Yeah. That's it. Check your health of the battery. This is the perfect software before you replace the battery is battery view, this one. 58%, absolutely shit. Full charging capacity is still good, 38, because it's a large cell battery. Yeah, this is considered good battery health. Excellent would be right around 70 to 75%. But yeah, check the battery info view before you buy the new battery. Also, this is a portable, so you don't have to install the driver, which is good.